Hello, my name is Jason Barton. I'm the National Sales and Marketing Manager for Dukane. Dukane's located in St. Charles, Illinois. Dukane's main focus for NPE 2018 is particulate-free plastic welding. What I have here is Dukane's clear-to-clear laser welder. The benefit of this machine is there's no secondary materials or additives to make clear-to-clear plastics weld together. So the 2-micron laser is the heat source itself. To talk about another particulate reducing technology that Dukane offers, let me introduce you to Paul Cathcart, Dukane's Tooling and Applications Engineering Manager. Hello, Paul.
Hi, how you doing, Jason?
Great.
Good. Okay, so this is a traditional vibration welder. We use frictional motion, basically vibration, to rub two parts together and produce a melt. As with all traditional vibration welders, there's a risk of particulate being generated because when the two parts come together, they're cold, and as we start to rub them, sometimes plastic can flake off. In an effort to reduce this risk of particulate, we add infrared heaters to the process. So what we do is we start the machine, we bring the heaters forward, and we heat the parts with infrared energy to get them to a near plastic state. Once they're at this state, we then retract the heaters and bring the parts together to produce a traditional vibration weld.
Also on display here at NPE 2018, Dukane is showcasing many members of its ultrasonic servo technology family. What we have here is our S215 high force servo 15 kilohertz press system with patented melt match technology. And what we're doing at the show with this S215 servo thruster is we're ultrasonically cutting and sealing a product. So after the ultrasonic process is done, we actually cut against an anvil for a nice, clean edge. The newest member of Dukane's servo welding family is the Infinity Press. This is the most narrow servo welder to date in Dukane's servo family. Within this welder, it also contains Dukane's patented melt match technology. The final member of Dukane's ultrasonic servo welding technology on display here at NPE 2018 is Dukane's I220 integrated servo press. It also contains Dukane's patented melt match technology. It's a very flexible unit. It is all one module, so very easy to move within a manufacturing facility. No more cables, no more boxes, one self-contained unit. Thanks for coming to Dukane's booth here at NPE 2018. Hopefully you got to learn a lot about the new particulate-free welding technologies that Dukane has to offer. And to learn more about Dukane products, go to Dukane.com to see many of our videos and data sheets on our newest and latest products.